My name is Jessica Tall. I am a physical therapist at Alton Physical Therapy, and I specialize in ACL rehabilitation. At Alton Physical Therapy, we're always investing in advanced tools to help you recover stronger and smarter. ForceDecks are a state-of-the-art system designed to analyze movement like jumps, strength, power, and asymmetry with clinical precision.
My name is Morgan Kraft, and I specialize in working with our athletes for the upper body and lower body. With the ForceDecks, we're able to tell more data. Now we're able to look at asymmetry from limb to limb. We're able to look at power. We're also able to look at strength. We're able to see the deficits that they present with, and we can tailor it towards those deficits.
Our approach to rehabilitation is very direct. We're looking more for impairments and addressing those impairments because we can actually measure them in a way that wasn't possible before.
It can show us a lot more than what we can just visually see with our eyes. You can track it week to week, you can track it month to month, you can do even years if you wanted to.
By accurately measuring performance, we can benchmark progress, monitor recovery, and reduce the risk of injuries every step of the way.
It's good for them to see where they started versus where they are midway and where they are towards the end. So if the doctor's questioning when can they get back to sport, we can show them with the data, hey, they're not quite there yet, or they're gonna need just a few more weeks, and we'll retest them on the force plates and see their progress.
This system can be used for a wide range of conditions, including ACL reconstructions, balance deficits, concussions, even people that have had strokes. We can also use it for upper body injuries such as slap repairs, Tommy John surgeries, even rotator cuff repairs.
I think it's nice to be able to visualize everything all in one place, showing me the results of each performance data that they take for me, and it's super accessible across all systems. They're able to use it on an app, they're able to send it to me by email, and they're also able to show me my results on a computer.
The force plates is a great tool to use. We can use specified tests tailored to an ACL, tailored to a shoulder, rotator cuff repair. We can tailor certain tests to the patient so we're able to test it and not just guess.
Well, I actually just finished my last session 30 minutes ago. It went super well, but it did become clear to me that I might not be ready to go back on my recovering leg just yet. But it was really good because I was able to understand how I'm shifting weight between either leg, how my balance is doing, and overall how I'm supposed to progress in the future.
Whether you're recovering from surgery, rebuilding strength, or working on balance and stability, this new technology at APT helps us make data-driven decisions to personalize your therapy journey.